Talk to you soon.
All right, talk soon.
Bye for now.
Talk to you soon.
Bye for now.
Thanks so much.
Bye for now.
Saying goodbye can be awkward, but a strong ending to your video could make or break it. So, what are some do's and don'ts when ending a video? Do have confidence in what you're saying. This confidence reflects on your message. So avoid things like, yeah. Don't downplay your message by saying things like, well, that's all I wanted to say. Do have a call to action. Tell your viewer what they should do next and how to contact you. Don't use open-ended statements. Be as concrete as possible. Instead of, I hope to hear back from you soon, try, if I don't hear back from you by the end of the month, I'll reach out again. Do make sure to say goodbye and thanks. It's a simple thing, but not hard to overlook. Don't look for the button to stop the video at the end of your message. With Covideo's Chrome extension, hitting the space bar will stop the video, allowing you to maintain eye contact through to the end. Do make sure to end your recording at the right moment. Sometimes people stop it too late and end on an awkward angle. And those are our do's and don'ts when ending a video message. So, yeah, that's it. Stop.